Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kiara. So today we are going to do a celebrity recreation look, and today I chose Cardi because she posted a picture of this gray smoky eye with a wing liner. I thought it was really cute, so I decided like, hey, let me recreate it. So I want to use the Juvias Place Warriors 2 palette, and this tutorial was going to go by really quick because it wasn't that hard to do, honestly. But I used the Jlarue eye base, and then I just went in with the two gray shadows from the Juvias Place palette, a light one, the light gray and the dark gray, and then I kind of winged out the dark gray in my crease a little bit since my eyes isn't slanted like hers, so I tried to make it slanted the best way I could. And then I just went in with the Planet Makeup by Yoloando eyeshadow base. It's in the shade 08. It's white. Now it's packed on white shadow, and then just kind of smoked out my outer corner. Like, this look was very easy and quick to do. Anybody could do it. Even if you don't know how to do a wing liner, you can just get some tape and put it at the corner of your eye, okay, and make your wing liner like that. But for the waterline, I use actually a lip liner from LA Girl. I'll put the color down in the description, and then I smoked it out with it's like a reddish pink color that's in the Juvias Place palette. And I'm actually surprised at the color works. Like, I thought it was going to be too dark, but it wasn't. So I just smoked that out, and then I took the Essence, don't know the rest of the name, but it's an Essence liquid eyeliner. I don't know why I can't talk. So so I just went in with some lashes, and her lashes was they was real thin at the beginning and then fluffy at the end, so I tried to find some the closest set that I had. And then for the lips, she had this dark lip. I do not do dark lips at all. That's just not my thing. I'm a nude girl all day. But I went in with the NYX eye pencil in the shade brown, black, and then I just went into kind of, I guess, smudge out the liner so it wouldn't be so harsh. Again, this was totally out of my comfort zone, but it turned out cute at the end, okay? So then I went in with the Maybelline lifter gloss. The first one is in the shade reef. Again, this is also not colors that I wear. Again, I'm a nude girl, okay? And then I went in with the shade ice. It's either ice or pearl. It's just a glitter, just something extra was really needed, but yes, it was. And this is the finished look. Real easy, quick, and simple.